Jay Woods here. KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do NFL Contenders for Gregerson. He wants box 6 from the case. This is NFL 15 Contenders. Gregerson, what do you want out of this? Do you just want the numbered and the autos? Or do you want all your inserts as well? And a Mariota and a Winston. Super shiny. I saw he did. I saw that when I packed that up. That was very nice. Good luck, Gregerson. Alright, we got Winston, Rookie of the Year. Not numbered. Our first autograph is 192 of 199. Josh Shaw, playoff ticket. Go Trojans. What up, Nick? Guys, there's 24 left in Diamond Football for tonight. Teams are in the store. Let's get some movement on that. Josh Shaw. Cam Newton, MVP, not numbered. We got Michael Dyer, base autograph. Put a lot of effort in that signature. Larry Fitzgerald pennant. And your numbered insert is a Larry Fitzgerald playoff ticket, 48 out of 199. Got Eric Rowe. E-Row. Auto number 3. Dan Marino. Richard Sherman. And so super shiny. 81 of 99 championship ticket on card autograph. Jay Ajayi. Jay Ajayi, 81 of 99. We got Sanquez Golston. Sanquez Golston. Amari. And Nick Boyle. 54 of 99. Nick Boyle. For the Ravens. Round numbers, Cooper White. Andrew Luck pennant. I think we are all out of autos. Dez pennant. Yep, we're all out of autos. Cutler and Jeffrey. And that was your box. So you can Gregerson. Appreciate it. Let me know if you want that second box, Gregerson. Alright, we're back. Gregerson is going to do box 12, finish off this case. Good luck, man. Good luck. Guys, Diamond has 24 left. Let's get some movement on Diamond Football. Diamond Football. Super shiny. Guys, Diamond Football has 24 left. Good luck, Gregerson. Got an Eric Kendricks. Super shiny. 92 of 99. 92 and 99 championship ticket. Now we got DGB, Trey Williams, 192 of 199. I'm not sure how many Trey Williams autos we have pulled, but it's numbered, so it doesn't really matter. Trey Williams. Gurley Gordon, Mariota, Tom Brady, Adrian Peterson, AJ Can base autograph. Jamal Charles, Tyler Lockett out of 99, 3 of 99. Tyler Lockett, Rookie of the Year, Contenders holofoil. Rodgers and Nelson. That was just a base card. Eli Manning. Duke Johnson, 98 of 99. Draft class on-card autograph. Duke Johnson. Jay Ajayi. Shane Ray. Variation, 32 of 49. Playoff tickets. Variation Shane Ray. 32 of 49. Mr. Shane Ray. And Deron Brown. Deron Brown. Lawrence Taylor. All right, Gregerson, that was your break. Thanks again, man.